Hey, Crafty Queens, welcome back to my corner. How are y'all doing today? Hope everyone is well. I am back with a video to show you what I did with this Praying Mixed Media notebook. I told you guys I had a project in mind for it, and I do. And let me show you what I did with it. So I decided to put my ephemera in here. Now, word of warning, if you decide to do paper ephemera like I did, it's not going to work as well because since it's paper, well, okay, that wasn't a good example because that one didn't tear. But there's certain things that you put in here that sometimes tear. Okay, that one didn't do it either. Maybe it's to the point now where it's dried enough that it's not tearing. Okay, great. So the point of this is because I have so much ephemera and I had it scattered here and there and all different places. And every time I was looking for something specific, I never knew where it was. So I decided to do this. Now, this was not my idea. I got this from another YouTuber and I can't think of her name, but she's very good. She does a lot of Tim Holtz stuff and she's great. But anyway, so yeah, I saw her do this and I thought, man, what a great way to be able to just flip through my ephemera and have it in there and have it stick, but not tear up when I pull it off to use it. So I showed you how these were easy to just peel off and use. But if you use thicker ephemera, like the Tim Holtz ephemera, it works even better. Wait, okay, maybe not. This might have been the one that I was having trouble with. Yeah, so some of them, again, it kind of depends on the texture of your ephemera. Some of them, when you peel them up, they stick so well that it kind of leaves this. Now, this doesn't bother me because I can still use it. I can peel this off and I can just use it as I need to. I can just stick it somewhere. However, if that bothers you, then maybe look into using a different kind of tape. So the kind of tape that I'm using, which it's not the exact thing that she used, but it's similar. And it's I'm digging it out. Oh, come on. Oh my goodness. Okay, here it is. It's the AdTech Tape Glue Runner Permanent. Now, the one she used, I believe, was the Tombow, the Tombow glue runner. So maybe I grabbed the wrong kind of glue runner, but this is just the one that I found at Hobby Lobby, and you can refill these when they run out. Anyway, again, this is one of those projects where it may not work for everyone. It does work for me because, again, I really am not picky about the back of it tearing a little bit. I think that there's a few in here that I had ran out of this in before I went back to Hobby Lobby to get more. I was using the glue dots. And those, I just stuck one little glue dot on there. And, you know, that seemed to work. But I don't know if it depends on the type of glue you use or what. But it's a trial and error type thing. But I did go ahead and put all of my ephemera in here. It's not all Tim Holtz, but a lot of it is Tim Holtz. I was figuring out closer to the end that you really don't need to use a whole lot. One little One little swipe will do it, because again, we want it to stick, but we don't want it to stick so much that it tears our stuff. But again, a lot of it, if it does tear on the back, again, that doesn't really bother me. It may bother some people, so this may not be the thing for you. And again, I'm just sharing this because I thought it was a cool idea. So that's why I am showing you guys the idea, just in case you're interested. Now, she did mention that she thinks it does have to do with the paper, which again, this is mixed media. It's basically a drawing tablet, you know, to just draw or paint or whatever. But yeah, it's so much easier for me to see what I have, see what I want to use, pull it off, use it, and there you go. Now, a lot of this stuff, it's got 60 sheets. So a lot of this stuff, again, if it does, you know, tear a little bit when you get it out, these are not expensive. These are like $6. So I'm going to use mine until I, you know, run out of pages. But like I said, for the most part, it's fairly easy to just get it out and use it. And you can still stick it back on there. So I still have this much left. And like I said, I felt like I had a lot of ephemera. So yeah, again, this isn't for everyone, but if you're having trouble keeping up with all of your ephemera, knowing, you know, that it's all together in one spot just makes it so easy. Again, this one did leave a little bit of a residue there, but it didn't on my actual ephemera. It's just the glue that I had put on from the tape runner. So yeah, that's what I wanted to show you guys. That's what I decided to do to make my life easier, to just be able to flip through, see what I want, pull it off, use it. So yeah, like I said, not for everyone, but if you're looking for a way to store it and you think this would work for you, I suggest it, because like I said, it's just that little glue dot's not staying. So yeah, just an idea. And again, I don't put very much on there at all, just enough to make it stick until I'm ready to use it. So yeah, again, I don't know if there's different ones that would work better, different glue tape runners. The one, like I said, she used the Tombow one, but I couldn't find that one when I went looking for one. So I just went ahead and settled with this. But again, just depends on what works for you. But again, I'm always looking for ways that I can use the stuff I have and not forget about it in a drawer, because that's what I was doing. I was just keeping it all together, sticking it in a drawer or sticking it in a little envelope, and I forgot about it and I wasn't using half the stuff I had. So this way, like I said, just makes it easier for me personally to be able to use it up and not just forget about it in a drawer somewhere. And yes, it did take me a while to get all my stuff in here, but to me it was worth the time, because now I have everything in one spot. So yeah, that is what I did to store my ephemera. So I got this on Amazon, and again, this at Hobby Lobby. So if that's something you guys are interested in doing, try it, see if you like it. You know, maybe try it with some ephemera that you're not really crazy about before you do something really fancy, in case you don't like it. But either way, I mean, you know, this is acid free and it's supposed to not, you know, mess up anything, you know, that you put in there. So that's it. I'm going to quit rambling. But again, I just wanted to show you guys what I decided to do with this. If any of you try it, let me know. If you have tried anything similar, but maybe used a different book or a different tape runner, let me know, because I'm just looking to make my life easier. As crafters, we always appreciate a good idea to make our lives easier, don't we? Okay, well, that's going to be it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.